Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025, you might want to transfer your Shiba Inu SHIB tokens from Robinhood to Bitrue for more trading options or better features. Today, I'll walk you through this process step by step, so you can do it quickly and safely. Let's get started. First things first, before you begin, make sure you have SHIB in your Robinhood account and that your Bitrue account is fully set up. You'll need your Bitrue wallet address handy. Double check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so accuracy is key. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Head over to your portfolio and select the crypto section. Find your SHIB holdings, it should be listed there. Next, in step 2, tap or click on SHIB to open its details. Look for the option to transfer or withdraw. This might be under a Send button, depending on the 2025 updates to Robinhood's interface. If you're new to this, Robinhood has made it user-friendly, but always read any prompts carefully. Now, for step 3, enter the recipient address. This is where you'll paste your Bitrue wallet address. Make sure it's the correct one for SHIB. Bitrue might have specific networks like Ethereum, so confirm that matches. Then, enter the amount you want to transfer, but don't forget to leave some for any network fees. Step 4. Review and confirm the transfer. Robinhood will show you a summary, including estimated fees and processing time. Once you're happy, hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. After that, hop over to Bitrue. In step 5, go to your wallet or deposit section and check for incoming SHIB. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, once it's done, you're all set. Remember, always keep an eye on fees and security. If anything goes wrong, contact support from both platforms right away. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.